Hi, I'm Neha. I'm 36 years old and I'm in my second trimester. I have conceived for the first time. Had been trying for the last 6 years or so, but there was no success. Medically, also, there was no issues that were found either with me or my husband. But unfortunately, it was just not happening for us. I've been a working professional throughout my life, and I think the stress, the travel for work took a toll, and something that I did not uh, take cognizance of. But getting up every day, dragging myself out of bed, that had become a common thing. Although I was always under the impression that I was having a very nutritious diet. October last year, I came across this Wellcure program on one of the social media sites, and I got under the mentorship of Anchal. And I think the path that she put me on first of all, gave me so much positivity, and the diet improved my stamina, my energy levels to a great extent. So, what she told me to be positive about each day, instill that positivity in me, and it will just happen. To keep telling myself that it is going to happen and it will happen. That had been a complete life changer, believe me. I am also one of those cynical people that who do not put their faith easily into anything, but I could see the change, I could sense it, I could feel that in my body. Parallelly, I also started doing yoga for the first time, and Anchal coming in my life had been nothing short of a blessing. So, thanks to her, and I wish all of you out there best of luck. Have faith, and if it can happen with me, for sure it can happen for you also. Thank you.